Hi fellow designers, welcome to another tutorial video where I'll be sharing with you how to get high quality stock images for your designs. Like regardless of any kind of stock image you're looking for, you can get it with this trick. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to head over to ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT yet, you can use the website and you can download the app. Whichever is convenient for you, just do it. So just tell ChatGPT, let's assume that you need a stock image of a delivery guy or a delivery guy delivering a puzzle to a customer. Just tell ChatGPT that, then to generate a prompt for you to go to this website. It is this prompt that you will use in this website that I'll be revealing in a few minutes from now. So just tell ChatGPT, please, I need a prompt to generate an image of a delivery guy delivering a puzzle to a lady. Indicate that it is prompt that I want, not image, because sometimes it might just generate the image for you. Just tell it that prompt, not image, please. Please, I need a prompt to generate an image of a delivery guy delivering a parcel to a lady. Also, if you want to use design on a, let's assume that the brand you're working on is a Nigerian brand or an African brand, indicate that the image that you want it's for like an African image, a black image, and it's for a foreign brand, indicates that it's foreign. Or you don't even need to indicate, you just, if you get the prompt and you paste it in this website that I'll be revealing to you guys, if you paste it there, automatically to bring a foreign image. That's why it is necessary for you to indicate if it's a black image that you want. So you can just put it there of a black delivery guy. Black delivery guy to a black lady. So like this, it will not generate foreign image for you, to generate black image for you that you can use for your design. But note that the image, it depends on the design you're working on the brand you're working on, you understand? So you just long press and click on select text to select it. Select the prompt, copy it, then head over to Chrome. On your Chrome browser, click on the search bar and type AI test kitchen dot, just type AI test kitchen. Once you type AI test kitchen, it's going to bring different ones for a specific one. Just type, I'm just showing you like this because some of you might be new to it, but if it's me, I'll just type AI. You see that I have the link here already. If I click on go, it's going to take me to ImageFX directly. But for new users, I'm just showing you how to go about it. Type AI test kitchen, AI test kitchen, ImageFX. So once you type it, it's going to look at it. I've opened it there already. So you just click on it. AI test kitchen ImageFX. Be specific with it because under AI test kitchen there are different tools under it. I guess so. So once you type it, once you click on the website, to ask you to log in with your Google Mail. Yes, with your Gmail. You get. But me, I've logged in already. It will just ask me to like sign in. Like to just sign in, because every time I want to use it, I'll be asked to sign in, but to not be like the very start process, like confirming if you are this and all of that. You understand? Just sign in with my mail, then you paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT here. Just click here and paste it. Then click on this diamond icon here. Then hold on for it to generate. Depends on your network, it takes time. Depends on your network, and if your network is very good, it is very stable, to generate really fast. So let's hold on and see it. Okay, no, just look at this. This is so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Okay, so another thing that you need to notice is that automatically the size of the image is in landscape, but you can edit it here. Look at settings. Look at the settings. The first settings there is seed. Seed is unlocked to give your output more variety. If you lock this seed now and you regenerate an image, it is going to give you something so much exactly or related to that image. But if the seed is unlocked, to give you different types of image, like to give your output more variety, different variety. And this one, model best quality, that one is just like that, just leave it. And aspect ratio, there's square, there's portrait, there's landscape, there's mobile portrait, there's mobile landscape. But it is advisable to put it in square. So you can, it depends on the design you're working on. It depends on your preference, you understand? But I use square literally most of the time. I use square literally most of the time. You can see, look at what it gave us. Very, very nice. It gave us different, like the images, they don't even look alike at all. Just you see different images. This shows that you don't have to like keep repeating the same image, because ChatGPT plus, yes, ChatGPT plus ImageFX, they got you covered. You can get different kind of images that you want from there. So I'll just download one of it. Let me download this one. This looks nice. So for some time now, I'll be having issues like, once I download the image from ImageFX, I don't see it directly in my gallery. I don't see it in my gallery. So I have to go to files to make some, to rename the folder. I don't know if it's going to be like this for you. Sorry, to rename the image. I don't know if it's going to be like this for you, but if it's like this for you, there's a way to go around it. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm just going to go to files. What I downloaded now, it's going to be in my files, but I won't see it in my gallery. For me to see it in my gallery, I have to like make some changes to it. So let me show you. You can see, I can't see the image. Screenshot is the last one here. It might not be like that for you, but if it's like that for you, there's a way to go about there's a way to go about it. So just click on download. Go to files, click on download. See it. See the one we just downloaded just now. Can you see it's like a file here? So to get the image, just click on the three dots here and rename it. That's the only thing you need to do, just to rename it. Clear this one away and just click on delivery guy. You can rename it whatever you want and clear this 13 away. Click on OK. Click on rename. Once you rename it, you'll be able to see the lady. So you'll be able to see the image and it will appear in your gallery directly. It takes time, sometimes takes few minutes to rename, but just give it time. Depends on your phone operation. Mine, can you see? Immediately I renamed it, I can see the image now. But if it, let me show you this one. I've not renamed this one yet. I've not look at it. It will say the archive is corrupt or unsupported. But immediately you rename it, it will show you. Let's just go back. Look at it. Can you see? If you rename it, you'll be able to see the image. Can you see? Look at it. Look at how high quality it is. So that's it. But if you want the quality to be very much high again, go to Chrome. After this one, we'll be trying one more prompt from ChatGPT. Go to Chrome, click on new tab, then click on pickwish.com. pickwish.com/photo enhancer. I've showed you guys this website before. There's a tutorial on my channel, yes, for this pickwish, how to use pickwish to increase the quality. But I'm sure that if you've not watched the video, you can use this one. Then click on upload image. Click on files, then select the image you just downloaded. Then you just select it. Click on it. It takes time, not that much. 2 to 3. Okay, it's done already. Can you see? See before, see after. The image is of high quality already, but if you want a very high resolution, you can use Pixellab to enhance the quality of the image. So click on download image. Hey, cancel. Click on free image. Free download. Saved successfully. The image has been downloaded already. So let's try one more prompt from ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT. Just wait. Hold on. Okay, good. Then type that you need whatever design you want to work on. Just tell that, okay, this is what I need. Okay, I need a prompt to generate an image of black cleaners cleaning a home wearing uniforms. Prompt, not image. Not image, please. Then you send. So can you see an image of why we are taking it to ChatGPT, so that it can give us a very detailed prompt and something that ImageFX can relate with. AI to AI. See, an image of black professional cleaners actively cleaning a modern home. They're just in blah 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 blah. So you just copy it, then take it to ImageFX. Just this is where to input your prompts. Select all. Select all and paste. Then you click here. So hold on for it to like load. I told you that depends on your network. It is very, very stable. Before you know it, the image has generated. Another thing is that per set it gives you four images per set. Yes, ImageFX gives you. No, look at this. Look at how high quality and realistic this image is. Very beautiful. Look at. You don't have to spend hours. You don't have to spend hours on Pinterest or any other site looking for images. ImageFX plus ChatGPT got you covered. The only thing you need to do is to just go to ChatGPT, ask for prompt, bring it here. Then what are you waiting for? If you want, you can increase the quality with Pixellab or any other photo enhancer website or app. You get. So let's download one of these images. Let's download this first one. Like I said earlier, if this file does not show in your gallery, you can always go to like files, rename it. Once you rename it, the image will show. It will show in your gallery, you understand? So I don't know why it's like that, but that's the solution to the problem. You get. I hope you learned 1 or 20 from this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notification for more amazing tutorials from the Creative Queen. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.